Canada exports oil, loads of it. So when oil prices rise, the loonie tends to strengthen. That's why USD CAD often falls when oil rallies. A correlation is just how two assets move in relation to each other. Some go up together. Some pull in opposite directions. And understanding this can be your Forex cheat code. When traders panic, they often rush to gold, which means the dollar usually takes a hit. If gold's flying, pairs like ER/USD might be setting up nicely. Canada exports oil, loads of it. So when oil prices rise, the loonie tends to strengthen. That's why USD CAD often falls when oil rallies. Stock indices, like the S&P 500, are like a mood ring for the markets. When they drop, traders get scared and flock to safe currencies like the yen. Here's your cheat sheet. Know your pair, track what moves with it, zoom out for macro context, and only pull the trigger when things align. Correlations don't predict, they guide. The more market connections you understand, the more confident and consistent your trading becomes. Never trade Forex without checking gold, oil, and stocks first. Follow RCG Markets for more powerful insights. We've got your back.